Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the Wicked Awesome Gardener. It's been a few days for you guys and about 30 seconds for me because I just finished filling this ollie raised garden bed and now I'm going to go ahead and plant out in it even though it is December 31st and I never got my garlic in. I have these beautiful cloves of music garlic that I got from MI Gardener and they're still sitting here because health, weather, work kind of all kept me from getting my seed garlic in the ground, and also I wasn't quite sure where to put it and all of that hemming and hawing, and yeah. But now I have this beautiful raised bed. I figure I have a week of nice warm temperatures in the upper 40s to the lower 60s, and it's not dipping below freezing at night, so I'm hoping that the nice rain that we are about to get in the next hour or so, like I'm under the gun to get this planted out because it's going to start to pour on me, but that will water these in really nice, and hopefully those nice temperatures where it's not going below freezing are going to give them a good start. Maybe a week in the ground will be enough before the cold temperatures hit and they'll be able to get up and growing for the spring. I'm going to tell you right now, my dad says no way, absolutely not. He says this will not work. So I hate to see him be right, so cross your fingers for me, guys. So like I said, I've got this gorgeous music garlic. I'm just going to get out these nice big cloves. See, that's a nice big clove. Hopefully these have not dried out too much and they'll be good enough to get in the ground and grow, but we'll see. If these don't grow, it's entirely on me, not on the provider of the garlic. So I'm just going to go plunk them in a few inches down into the ground, just whoop. They go about this deep, so about to the second knuckle on my finger, whoop, right in, point up. Oh yeah, nice big clove. And normally I don't plant the small ones, but I'm going to plant them all because what have I got to lose? This could be a total bust. Now, why did I only put together this one round bed? Well, I'm hopefully closing on my homestead property this week. Well, this coming week after New Year's. I was supposed to close on Tuesday, but certain things happened. There is a video coming out on that and everything got derailed. So we'll see if that closes next week instead, maybe the week after. Who knows at this point, but we're gonna make it work. But I want to transplant my container asparagus out there and I'm gonna plant them into a big square raised bed. So I didn't want to put together and fill the other bed when I know I just want to move it elsewhere. So let's see, where did I plant a small clove? Let's put that in there and hopefully that comes up. So planting garlic, super easy. We're just gonna pop that right in, and the rain that's coming tonight should give this a good watering in because obviously it's the middle of December in Massachusetts and our woo, there we go. Forgot one. Forgot you. Ooh. Obviously our hoses are not hooked up. So the rain will water these in. We're going to have some nice weather this week that should hopefully give them enough of a start that they will survive. I don't know how much energy they're going to be able to get, but oh well. We've got this bed filled with one bag of raised bed soil as well as a whole bunch of leaves and some small pieces of branches in the bottom. So we're using that hugelkultur method to help retain moisture and all of that. And then now that I've got this garlic planted in, I'm going to go ahead and cover it with leaves. Well, there we go. Garlic is all set. And maybe this was wasted effort, but I would rather see that this effort was wasted than to not even try and let that beautiful garlic that I purchased go totally to waste. You know, seeds want to grow. So if you guys didn't get around to it, if you're going to have some warm weather this week, Throw some garlic in the ground, see what happens. Why not? This may work, or maybe my dad's right. I hope my dad is right. Do some rebel planting. Just break the rules. See what you can do. What works for you, works for you. Plant the seeds. All right, guys, short video today, just like short video the other day. I've been doing a lot of little short videos, but I'm glad to be feeling back in the groove and getting out, doing some, look at this. I got dirty hands. I have gardening hands, and it's December, and that feels actually really great. There is something about soil and getting your hands down in that dirt that just makes you feel good. So do something good for yourself today. Plant some seeds. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.